Hi everybody, it's Peter with Bear Bull Traders. Just thought I'd give you a summary of a trade that I made this morning on BIIB. Overall a good trade, but I did make a couple mistakes. So what you're looking at is one of several screens that I use. So this is typical setup for me. I'm going to focus on the middle section right here on BIIB. I entered this trade at 9:37 this morning, just as it broke VWAP. As it turns out, that was a little bit ambitious. I did it because I saw the big spike up as I expected on the big gains of the day. Right, it was up like $50–$60 on the morning, and then I saw it pull back down over the next few minutes. That seemed like a good indication for me to go short, which I did. Then it pulled back on me. I set my stop loss, so you can see I always mark on my charts my entry and my stop loss point. So my entry was 354.38 and my stop was set at 360. It started to pull back, and because I took a larger share, it made me nervous. I panicked a bit, frankly, and I sold just before my stop, which obviously I shouldn't have, once again proving that my stop was correct, because it basically stopped right below the 360 point, turned around and went back down. As you can see, then it started its march all the way down. So I'd set an exit point just below 350, where I sold my first, well, after that first half that unfortunately I took a loss on. I sold the next half there. I sold near the bottom. What I'd done is I'd split my remaining shares into two remaining halves, and basically said on a $2 pullback or a $4.50 pullback is when I was going to sell. So when I'm in a trade for a long period of time and I want to look at other things, I tend to set trailing stops. It allows me to make sure I protect most of the profits, but I get out if it starts to pull back strongly, which is what happened here. So overall a good trade, a highly profitable trade, but I do significantly regret panicking and selling out before my stop loss was actually hit. Have a great weekend, everyone.